Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, all you will need to do is pull down your notification panel, and by default the toggle is not here. So let's tap on this little square right here with the pen in it, and for me the toggle is on the second page with the toggles that are turned off. You can see right over here. Once you locate it, you can hold it and it gets lift up. You can feel it by vibration, and then you can drag it over to the top, drop it, and voila, it's now added. So you can quickly access it at any moment you want. So from here, you can tap on it, just continue and agree. Allow screen recording to take pictures and record video. Yep, you do need that. Obviously, it's a recording screen, so it needs to do that. We have record audio. Yes, it asks for internal and microphone, so that's fine. Microphone will be, I believe, in the kind of calls section. Then we have storage, just so it has a location to save, and that's about it. That's all the permissions it needs. So yeah. Now when you're using this for the first time, it gives you a quick overlay right here what each button does. So we have the first one, the red one, which is tap to record. Then we have settings and simply closing the entire overlay. There we go. So I'm gonna start recording by tapping on a toggle. There we go, and as you can see, it's now recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. Additionally, you can see there's a kind of like a semi-transparent gray dot following my finger. That is going to be visible on the recording itself. Now once you're done with the recording, you can interact with the overlay, click on the square to stop it, and this will automatically save that video recording to your Photos application. So we'll open that up right now, and you can see it right here. So let's click on it, and as you can see, it's already playing. So there we go. That is how you would record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.